Can cats be left-handed or right-handed? When we think about left-handed or right-handed individuals, the first thing that comes to mind is usually humans. We associate these terms with the dominance of one hand over the other for tasks such as riding, eating, and throwing. But what about our feline friends? Can cats also be left-handed or right-handed? Let's dive into this fascinating topic and explore the research behind it. To begin with, it is important to note that handedness in cats is not as straightforward as it is in humans. While humans predominantly use one hand over the other, cats are more ambidextrous. That means they have a greater ability to use both paws equally for various tasks. However, certain preferences can still be observed in feline behavior. One study conducted by researchers from Queen's University Belfast explored this topic by analyzing paw usage in domestic cats. The researchers looked at various actions such as stepping down stairs, stepping over objects, and reaching for food. They found that 73% of the cats displayed a paw preference, with a slight majority favoring their right paw. Interestingly, the study also revealed a gender difference in paw preference. Female cats were more likely to be right-pawed, while male cats showed a more equal distribution between left and right. This gender difference could be attributed to the hormonal influences that affect brain development. But what about wild cats? Do they exhibit the same paw preference as their domestic counterparts? A study conducted by researchers from the University of Manchester explored this question by observing captive cheetahs. The researchers found that the cheetahs exhibited a strong paw preference, with nearly 90% favoring their right paw. This preference was observed in various tasks such as grooming, climbing, and reaching for objects. The underlying reason for this paw preference in cats is still a subject of scientific debate. Some researchers believe that it may be influenced by genetics, while others suggest it could be a result of brain lateralization. Brain lateralization refers to the specialization of brain functions in different hemispheres, which can lead to hand preference. More research is needed to determine the exact factors influencing paw preference in cats. While cats may not have a strong hand dominance like humans, it is clear that they do exhibit a certain paw preference. It is important to note that this preference can vary among individuals, and not all cats will display the same paw dominance. Additionally, it is worth mentioning that paw preference in cats is not as significant as it is in humans. Cats can perform tasks equally well with both paws and adapt quickly to different situations. So, if you have a cat at home, how can you determine its paw preference? One way to do this is by observing its behavior during playtime. Notice which paw it tends to use more frequently while batting objects or reaching for toys. Additionally, you can also conduct simple tests such as offering treats and observing which paw your cat uses to grab them. Understanding paw preference in cats not only provides us with fascinating insights into feline behavior but also helps us create a better environment for our furry friends. By taking their preferred paw into account, we can enhance their playtime experiences and provide them with more tailored enrichment activities. In conclusion, while cats may not be strictly left-handed or right-handed like humans, they do exhibit a certain paw preference. Various studies have shown that cats tend to favor their right paw slightly more often, with some gender differences observed. However, it is important to remember that paw preference in cats is not as significant as it is in humans, and they are highly adaptable to using both paws for different tasks. So, the next time you watch your cat play or reach for its food, pay attention to its paw preference and appreciate the unique traits of our feline companions.